So um, now we're gonna learn how to use the revolve and revolved cut features in SolidWorks. So first of all, we're gonna make a sketch by using the revolved command. So I'm selecting front plane here. You can orient your planes using the techniques we learned earlier. So you can just scroll your middle mouse button and you can zoom in or out using that. And I'm gonna make a sketch right here. So a rectangle like this, and then so for revolved command we need a sketch, and also we need a center line to revolve around. So I'm gonna make a center line right here. Okay, and now I'm gonna use features and revolved base or revolved boss or base. So here it asks for the axis of rotation revolution. We can select this line and you can see we have a couple of options: blind 360 degrees, or we can just do like 270 degrees and it would go halfway, not all the way. And there are other options like up to vertex, up to surface, offset from surface, mid plane, but we don't have other bodies in the image. So if we have other bodies in the drawing, we can rotate up to them. So I'm gonna use blind 270 degrees. Click the small green tick and you can see, and you see this image like this because I have selected the wireframe view. You can go ahead and change your display style to be a solid and it would look like this. Okay, so now we can use the revolved cut command. So now I'm selecting the top surface and I'm gonna make another sketch here using sketch, and I'm gonna make a small circle over here, and we need another center line along which to revolve it. So if I want to revolve it like this, I want center line like that. So I'm gonna use I'm gonna select this plane. I'm gonna make my center line like this. No, I just want it to be on the top, not go in. So make my center line using this point and this point. Now actually I can't use these ones because it would revolve in another way, so I have to use this. I'm gonna use this point and this point for my center line, and now I'm gonna use features revolved cut, and you can see it's gonna revolve cut like this. So if it's 360 degrees, it's gonna do this, but so the upper portion is not gonna cut, so yeah, we can also do up to surface, up to vertex. In this case, actually, if we do up to surface, we can select this and then it would revolve up to here. Now so if I select up to surface and then which surface, okay, no, because the feature I'm revolving is on the same surface, so I can't select this surface, but I can select this surface, so it would only revolve like this. But I'm just gonna choose blind and 360 degrees because on the upper portion there is really nothing. So if I click this, so basically you just see two holes on the top, but on the inside you can see that it's just not the straight holes. There are arcs cut inside. We can see this by choosing other type of views like wireframe, so, or you can also see from the hidden lines. So this one gives you a clear picture of what kind of geometries it is from inside.